Hi, would you like to join us for a camping trip? My name is Jolene and this is my partner Victor. Here we are heading to a campsite in Selama, Perak, Malaysia. We departed from Jawi, Penang, hence the trip took us around 1 hour to reach the campsite. For this trip, we brought along quite a lot of items, from our tents to cooking utensils and food for 2 nights. While others may be spending their final 2 days of 2022 in major tourism sites or crowded area, we chose to camp in nature. Oh yes, Happy New Year everyone! Here we are at Selama Beach Campsite. Yes, this location is not exactly on the beach, rather it is near a river. The river sand beside the water mimic the sand by the beach, hence the name of the campsite. The water is pristine clean here, and we were both so blessed to have such a gorgeous river so near to our hometown. When we arrived, there were no one else but us. What a lovely place. It's time to pitch our tents. Victor and I each took our own tent with us. Victor is using the Nature Hike Cloud Up one-man tent, while I'm using the Nature Hike Spider one-man tent. Even though we're a couple, we have made it a habit to pitch our own tent. I suppose we do this so we have a specific shelter to watch for and to ensure we are both aware of the functions and details of our tents. The temperature was rather warm when we arrived at the campground, but everything was worth it with the scenery around us. Yes, we miscalculated, we forgot our flagship poles, and there wasn't many trees nearby, so we had to enjoy the sunshine. Let's take a moment to slow down. A moment to think about the nature around us. The water, the tree, the sound.
Makana.
I'm so glad we chose to reconnect with our roots, nature, in the final 2 days of 2022. It's time to prep our meal for the first night. Instead of using a camping stove, we decided to make a fire from scratch. Of course, we were using a low-impact method, a rise above fire pit net stand that we purchased previously, so that no marks were left on the beautiful grasses. Victor is happy to accommodate my vegetarian diet, so we went for vegetarian barbecue on the first night. Cheers!
Cheers.
The first night was perfectly capped off with marshmallows, beer, and a dash of monkey shoulders whiskey.
Whiskey and marshmallow.
Good morning and happy New Year's Eve! As it was quite cold at night, we made toast and coffee for breakfast. I always wanted to restart sketching, I knew I had to try to make a sketch with the nice weather in the morning. After breakfast, we went for a dip. We drove to a nearby waterfall, the Lata Titi Dua, one of Perak, Malaysia 12 icons. The waterfall can be viewed from a road just 8 kilometers from the nearest town, Ijot. We met new friends there, talked for a while, then went to a nearby thrift shop and had coffee before heading back. So, after we were back, we had another dip in the river, and I completed another sketch. We began our dinner prep as the time approached 5 p.m. Victor made these delicious grilled eggplants, topped with spices and potato chips, to go with the barbecue vegetables. This meal was really cozy on a lovely, chilling evening. Happy New Year! On the last day of 2022, I had the best final night's sleep. Since we had bought our tiny cast iron along, we made toasted bun with half-cooked eggs. So yummy! Okay, it's time to go. It was that circular feeling all over again. Working hard at work, then taking a break, and then returning to the reality check. This, I suppose, is life, and it is what makes us appreciate what is important to us even more.